Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I cook my Nigerian Egusi soup.
Friday, Saturday.
So guys, I'm going to start cooking my Nigerian Egusi pepper soup recipe. You see, I don't have meat inside my pot. I took everything out because I don't want it to be too soft. It depends on how soft you want your meat to be. So I will start by putting the following pepper soup spice. This is also my pepper soup spice. My crayfish blended, my pepper blended. So I'll be using 2 tablespoons of salt. It depends on how many egusi you are using. So the next thing is fish. So I'll put my fish inside the pot. I will stir the fish and I will cover it for 5 minutes so that the ingredients will get into the fish. Guys, I almost forgot to add maggi to it. So I have cooked my fish with the spices for 5 minutes and I'm bringing them out. So the next thing, I will be adding my blended egusi. Guys, this egusi is dried one though. I'm only going to separate it, but I will not turn it. The reason why I'm not going to turn this egusi is because I want the egusi to get molded. I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes before I will stir. Now you can see the molding that I was talking about. So I'm going to start turning it. Guys, you have to cook this egusi very well to avoid half done, and half done results to runny stomach. So after stirring it from molding, I'm adding my water for the first time. It depends on how thick you want it to be. I forgot to tell you the water I'm adding is warm water. I will cover and cook for 25 minutes. Oh wow, guys, have cooked it for 25 minutes and I'm going to add my meat, and first I have to stir it before I will add my meat. This is what I was talking about when I said molding. You can see, but I'm still going to add more water. So now I'll be adding my meat and my fish. So this is the fish. The fish is the last thing I add into it. Guys, I'm done with my Nigeria Egusi pepper soup. So for you to know that it's well cooked, you can see the oil on top of the soup. So see you on my next video.
I'm Austin.
I'm Lady Sky.
And together we are
United Family
TV. I want to say a big thank you to all of you watching us and to all our subscribers. Please don't forget to drop your comment below and share this video you just watched with your friends and families. We hope to see you soon on our next video. See you. Bye.